Muhammad Fadli's project, named The Rebel Riders, is a story about a very special kind of community. This community gather around a very typical Indonesian vehicle, a scooter.
My project Rebel Riders tells the story about the so-called extreme Vespa community in Indonesia. The Vespa brand has a special place in Indonesian motoring history. In every city across the country, we still can see a lot of classic roam the street. But there are some who take their obsession to the next level by transforming the original into versions never dreamed even by Piaggio.
The earliest model that has been seen on the streets dates back to 1960s, when the Indonesian peacekeeping mission in Africa returned to the country and was awarded Vespa bikes by the government. Especially in 2000s, when the political regime is softened and police control less strict, Vespa communities thrive in many cities around the archipelago. Enthusiastic riders are gathering around the idea of building the most unusual vehicles using random materials like buffalo skeleton, bamboo, garbage, plastic bottles. It seems that the builder's creativity has no limit, and the classic Vespas are merely a starting point. Community's uniqueness, which represents freedom of expression, attracts also several subculture groups to join their activities.
For this project, I traveled around places in Indonesia, went into several gatherings to meet and photograph some of the community members, which mostly are young people. And the process itself is more like a collaboration rather than just taking pictures as it is.